Hi everyone, welcome back to the Rocketeer. Today I'm going to test these three Estes motors that I have loaded with red sugar propellant. Now this propellant in open air burns a very bright red. I've been working on this for a while. I've tested it in 38mm motors and the results have not been what I had hoped for. So anyways, I'm hoping with these Estes cases I have less propellant. I hope that means that there's less things that can go wrong, but we won't know until we find out and give it a try. So I have a D, an E, and an F. Let's set them up and see what happens. D12 red propellant. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Oh, my wife is not going to be happy about that. That's going to take some lawn repair there.